podcast. That's a stupid idea.
Don't know where I'm headed,
A
but
really
I'm
long day.
sailing.
I've never tried it before,
I'm dreaming,
so we'll see how it goes. Probably not good, but we'll give it a try.
turning rust to diamonds. I'm believing. Promises of new adventures echo through the anchored night.
My next project is
From a
to
backyard
mount
project,
a
she
new
takes
deck
her flight.
on the front deck. This one is an old small one, and I have bought a bigger. The next step will be to cut a hole and glass the frame onto the rest of the boat, and yeah, we'll see. Never tried it before, so we'll see how it goes. And now I can take the frame apart. And so oops. And then that's finished.
With engines idling and dreams set on sail, there she was, the gleam of all horizons, yearning to transform through time and care. I'm sailing, I'm sailing. Don't know where I'm headed, but I'm sailing. I'm
After sanding it a bit, I will mill the edges with my miller.
turning rust to diamonds. I'm believing.
Today it's raining, a lot of rain, whole day it was raining, but I still want to try to mount the pipe for the boat thruster. I have measured a hole here, and now you see if it fits on the other side. The boat thruster I have bought is 15 centimeters in diameter, the pipe. So in the bottom where the pipe have to be a double diameter, 30 centimeters. So I have measured out, and now I just have to angle the hole a bit, and then it should be possible to the outlining for the pipe. Take a bit on the other side as well. Alright, that should be it. It looks pretty straight. And inside I have tried to line out where the pipe will be, space between the pipe and this plate here. So I'll just put in some filler afterwards to make it all even more solid. To draw the hole, I have seen a ton of gadgets to making this, but I think actually just a piece of wood, tape and a marker, and then it should be possible. I'll begin just make some small marks so I have something to adjust for. Yeah. And let's see how it goes. I think I can make this a little bit better if I just make a line through here. Just to keep the angle when I'm drawing. It don't have to be much. It's just, yeah, see if it works. Voila. That worked much better. I will keep the iron bar in the holes, so I have something to line up the drill every time I make a new hole. So I got the right angle.
From a backyard project, she takes her flight. The engine hums with stories untold. Rounded anew in the shimmering sunlight, a vessel crafted from heart and mind. I'm sailing, I'm sailing. Don't know where I'm headed, but
And the last one.
I'm dreaming.
That's it. Let's go inside and have a look. Now we'll see how good I was at predicting how the pipe went through the hole. It's not too bad. A little bit higher than I expected, but the distance here exactly as I was hoping for. I think that's approved. This is the first time I will vacuum clean my lawn. Yep. This was the first one. But the solution is to use this one to make the first outlet the first like 2 centimeters, and then afterwards the bigger one.
I'm dreaming, turning rust to diamonds. I'm believing. Long journey is soft, rocking my chest. Folk songs echo through the Sultan Crest. Renovation brings a new vista.
Here's the pipe. I never measured the pipe. I assumed that it was 150 millimeters, but I don't know. It's not too good. I'll have to look what's wrong. Ooh. All right, I have wiped down the pipe acetone one more time, and then I have cut some pieces of fiberglass here. I've never tried this before, but my plan is, as I was watching on YouTube, the plastic, and then wetten these with epoxy, and then put them on in small pieces. We'll see how it goes.
Old dreams into blue, they whisper. I'm sailing, I'm sailing. I'm dreaming, turning roots to diamonds. I'm believing.
Now I have 5 pieces. I think I'll need much more, but I'm a little bit surprised how much resin and epoxy that I actually need to wetten. Let's see how it goes. That's too big. That's too big. I think what happened is that my fiberglass was too big. I didn't expect that. I have to cut them down. Just want to show you how I'm putting on the filler. And I start inside. Nice. Away. Damn it. It started to get a bit too warm. Yeah, no, it's not good. Yeah, like this. Can't do anymore. Down. Make some new filler and
Dreaming by the ocean while watching the waves roll in. on a quiet afternoon in the shipyard, with engines idling and dreams set on sail. There she was, the gleam of all horizons, yearning to transform through time and care. I'm sailing, I'm sailing, don't know